In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Oanda Indices. First, let's get clear on what Oanda Indices are. These are index CFDs, which means you're trading contracts that track groups of stocks representing major markets. Think of names like the Dow Jones as US 30, the Nasdaq 100 as NAS 100, the UK 100 for the FTSE 100, plus EU 50, GER 40, FRA 40, AUS 200, HK 50, and JP225. When you trade an index CFD, you're speculating on the index's price movement rather than owning the individual companies inside it. Oanda offers CFDs on many of these global benchmarks, though the exact list can vary by region. You can take a long position if you expect prices to rise, or go short if you think they'll fall, which gives you flexibility in both trending and volatile markets. To get started, log into your preferred Oanda platform. You can use the Oanda web dashboard, the mobile app, or MetaTrader connected to your Oanda account. The core process is the same across platforms. Locate the index, open its chart, review pricing details, and access the trading ticket when you're ready. On Oanda web or mobile, head to the Instruments or Tradable Markets section. Select Indices, or simply search by the ticker, such as US 30, NAS 100, or UK 100. Tap or click the instrument to open its price chart and real-time quotes. Here you'll see the buy and sell prices, the spread between them, and the trading hours specific to that index. Spreads can widen around major news or when liquidity is lower, so it's a good habit to glance at the spread before placing a trade. If an index isn't visible, double-check your region's available products and the market's open hours. If you're using MetaTrader, open MarketWatch. On desktop, you can press Ctrl+M to bring it up. Right-click inside MarketWatch and choose Symbols. From there, navigate to the Indices or CFD section and enable the indices you want to follow, such as US 30 USD or NAS 100 USD. Once enabled, they'll appear in MarketWatch. You can then open a chart to analyze price action or open a trade window directly from the symbol to place an order. If you don't see data, confirm the symbol is subscribed and that the market is open. From the chart or trade window on any platform, you can choose buy to go long or sell to go short, reflecting your market view. Always review contract specifications like minimum trade size and trading sessions. And remember, CFDs are leveraged products, so manage your exposure carefully and stay aware of market hours and news events.